What's up? I'm here again on the Sky Blue XT600 Tenere, and today, as you can see, it's a really shitty day. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get her all dirty and muddy and try how she handles off-road. Whoa! Wow! Slippery, and the tires are quite old. Wow. Okay, it's quite muddy, but this bike actually handles like I know it from the 1VJ. They are quite stable off-road because of that soft suspension. Wow, it's so slippery, and the tires are definitely not the best to have an excuse here. Whew. So yeah guys, as you can see, this bike can be ridden off-road, of course, to each person's ability. I just wanted to ride, and since it's wet anyway, I can get the bike dirty, so it doesn't matter. The XTs are great bikes for doing off-road. They're not the best for doing hard enduros, of course, but still they feel like a tractor. They have unlimited amount of torque. They're so smooth in the power delivery, and also the chassis, like the suspension, the shock, they're so smooth. You actually just flow over the terrain. Now you can see the tires are not the best for doing muddy stuff like that, but once we slap some new ones on them, it will be a bit better, and then we can also go on proper off-road trips. So I hope you had fun, guys, and if you want to see more of that stuff, then let me know in the comments and subscribe to this channel, because you will see more of that stuff. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Peace out.